Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at the Chinatown. I'm going to walk from the Buddha Relic temple in front. It's a very nice temple. To the Singapore City Gallery. So let's go, man. Hope it doesn't rain. Look at the weather. You know, like the weather in Singapore is unpredictable. Sometimes it's very hot, sometimes it's raining. Sometimes it's about to rain right now. So anyway, this Singapore City Gallery is 300 meters from the Buddha Relic temple, and nearest metro station is Maxwell. Thomson East Coast Line, exit 1. Lots of more, man. Wow, some nice beautiful buildings right here. Fairview Methodist Church. I can see Carlton City from here, hotel. Hawker Center in front, you know. I think it's quite famous. It's the Maxwell Food Center. Yes, it is. But later I'll be exploring another food center, one of the most underrated hawker center after the Singapore City Gallery tour. So stay tuned. Now the time is about 4 p.m. You know, the Singapore City Gallery closes at 5. But I have some work in the morning, so I can only come out like around this time during the afternoon. But I guess every day I go out, right? I spend at least 6 to 7 hours doing streaming, long videos, and some of the shorts. So if you enjoy the video, just watch more. Oh, people are eating like 24 hours any time of the day and week. You know, I really like the kind of this little bench here. They are really like how romantic, right? Look at the bench in front, and they're artistic at the same time. You can literally sit down, have a cup of coffee with your friend or companion, and then just look at the beautiful buildings on the left side. Oh, what's that building? The pink windows, it look very like retro. Alright, I just arrived at Singapore City Gallery. Entry is free, so no ticket required. Look at this sculpture, man. Wow. Greetings from Singapore. Today I'm at Singapore City Gallery, where you can explore a lot about Singapore's history and how they plan the city, the housing, and more. So let's go. It's free entry, no tickets are required. Wow, strong aircon here, man.